Ready, go. Hello my friends, welcome. I want to show you a very easy trick about drop D tuning. How to get your guitar from standard E tuning into drop D tuning. Now, you don't have a tuner and that's totally fine. I'm going to show you how to do it. One easy step to get down and then back up into standard tuning. Let's take a look. Okay, here we have our strings. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. The 6th string here is an E, and then we have an A, D, a G, a B, and an E. So what we need to do is we need to get this top 6th string right here from an E down to a D. One of the neat things is that we already have a D note in here. Where would that be? That would be this 4th string. So what we can do is we can drop this string to the same sound, the 6th string to the same sound as our 4th string. Now how are we going to do this? Let me show you. What we're going to do is we're going to do a pinch. We're going to take, you can either take your index and your thumb, or you can take your middle and your thumb, and that's where you play 2 strings at the same time. I'm just going to put my fingers on there and I'm going to pull it off. Okay, so we have our target note right here. This is our D string. Then we have our E string. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to get my fingers ready to pinch right here, and I'm going to come up here to this top tuner right here, and I'm going to, when I pluck that, I'm going to loosen this tuner, and that's going to drop this E string down. And we're going to reach that D note because we just have to match it up with that 4th string right there. Okay, here's the easy part. Now we're going to pinch both of these, the 6th and the 4th, and we're going to try to match this top string to that 4th string. Let's get ready to loosen it up. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. There we go. Oh yeah. Drop D tuning, there you have it. Sounds great. Okay, here we go. Now we want to get this D string right here back up to E because we want to go back into standard tuning. Well, we can't use this original D string right here at the 4th. What we're going to have to do is we're going to have to find another E string as our target note. Well, we have one right down here, the very bottom string, our 1st string. So now what we're going to do is we're going to do just like we did before, but we're going to do it opposite. We're going to tighten it up. And now I'm going to pinch this bottom string and the top string, and we're going to make this top string match the same tone as the bottom string. Okay, here we go. We're going to give it a shot. Let's give it a try. Ready, set, go. And there you go. You just tighten that back up, and now these are the same again. There you have it. No tuner needed at all to get your guitar into drop D tuning and then to get it back out into standard tuning. I hope this simple tip helped you guys out. If it did, please hit like and subscribe for more videos like this. I will talk to you later. Have a great day, please. Thank you so much.